Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
When comparing the Jeep Wrangler manual versus automatic, start with the basics. Many Wranglers use a 3.6 LV6 and offer a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic. The 6-speed manual gives direct gear selection and a tactile connection to engine revs, favored by drivers who value control. The 8-speed automatic provides smoother shifts, often better highway efficiency, and reduces driver workload in stop-and-go traffic. Choose based on whether you prioritize engagement or everyday convenience and efficiency. Off-road performance changes how useful each transmission feels. A 6-speed manual allows precise throttle control and engine braking for tight rock crawling and steep descents, letting the driver modulate revs directly. Automatic Wranglers add electronic aids, such as crawl control and hill start, assist that manage torque and braking to simplify technical sections, especially for less experienced drivers. Both transmissions pair with the Rubicon's low-range 4:1 ratio to deliver slow, controlled torque, so choose manual for direct feedback and automatic for assisted technique. Factor ownership costs and daily use into your decision. Automatic transmissions typically require fluid service every 30,000 to 60,000 miles and may be more expensive to repair, but need less driver involvement. Manual transmissions eliminate complex valve bodies, but have a clutch that can wear, with replacement commonly costing around $200 to $000 depending on labor. If you commute in heavy traffic, an automatic reduces fatigue. If you prioritize driver engagement and precise off-road input, the 6-speed manual is the better.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.